unforgettable. That's what you are.
Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Lucy and today I am going to talk about why we should stop global warming. First, global warming is related to our polluting problems. For example, global warming causes some serious problems such as the acid rain, and the acid rain pollutes our soil. Second, there are no places to live than the Earth. For example, new researchers have found that other planets in the solar system are inappropriate to live for humans. Third, global warming makes the surface of the sea get higher. For example, global warming melts the icebergs in Antarctica and it makes the surface of the sea get higher, and this makes the island countries dangerous. In conclusion, for these reasons, I think we should stop global warming, and also I hope we all try to stop global warming. Thank you for listening.
This is the end. Hold your breath and count to 10. Feel the earth.